How YouTube TV works. YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service that provides access to live television, on-demand content, and cloud DVR delivered over the internet. It eliminates the need for traditional cable or satellite services. 1. Subscription and plans. Sign-up process. Visit tv.youtube.com, choose a subscription plan, and enter payment details. Base plan cost. $72.99 per month, including over 100 channels. Add-ons. Options like 4K Plus, Sports Plus, and Premium Networks, HBO Max, Showtime, etc. 2. Supported devices. Smart TVs, Android TV, Roku TV, Samsung TVs, and others. Streaming devices, Chromecast, Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV. Gaming consoles, Xbox. Mobile devices, Android and iOS smartphones and tablets. Web browsers, watch directly via Chrome, Firefox, or Safari on a computer. 3. Channel lineup and content. Live TV. Over 100 live channels, including ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and CNN. Local channels. Coverage varies based on your location. On-demand content. Access previously aired shows and movies from supported networks. 4. Cloud DVR storage. Unlimited storage. Record as many shows and movies as you want. Recording duration. Recordings are saved for up to 9 months. Playback access. Watch recorded content on any supported device. 5. User experience. User profiles. Up to 6 profiles per account, each with personalized recommendations and viewing history. Simultaneous streams. Stream on up to 3 devices simultaneously. Customization. Add, remove channels, adjust preferences, and set notifications for live events. 6. How to watch. Open the app. Use the YouTube TV app on a supported device. Browse content. Navigate through categories like Live TV, Library, and Home. Select and watch. Choose a channel or show to watch live or on demand.